Today's video is for anyone who is interested in teaching English online or abroad. Hey friend, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Mfon, and on this channel I share content on career, side hustles, personal development and faith. I hope you make the decision to stay with us by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the amazing content I put out here. Before we get into the good stuff, I want to give a big shout out to our sponsor, International Certification, for partnering with me to bring this valuable information to you. So, International Certification, our sponsor, is a British internationally accredited training center, a leading provider of tefl-tesol certification, equipping English teachers with the skills and knowledge needed to thrive anywhere in the world. So, tefl-tesol, for some of you, this is the first time of hearing these acronyms, or you probably have come across them but you don't know what they mean. So let's start from the basics. The full meaning of tefl-tesol. TEFL stands for Teaching English as a Foreign Language, TEFL. TESOL means Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages. So what's the difference? TEFL certification allows you to teach English in non-English speaking countries like Spain, Japan or China. With TEFL certificate, you can teach English to students for whom English is not their native language. On the other hand, TESOL is ideal for anyone interested in teaching English to refugees, immigrants or international students in English-speaking countries. Canada, the United States or Australia. With the tefl-tesol course by International Certification, you can teach English in any of these countries and other countries I'll be sharing with you later in the video. This course is for you if you're looking to make money online or travel abroad as an English tutor, whether as a beginner navigating your career trajectory or an experienced teacher. Now, speaking a language is not the same thing as teaching it. The tefl-tesol course by International Certification gives you the essential skills you need to be an effective teacher. You need this course to prepare you to plan lessons, understand the theories of learning, get a good grasp of effective teaching techniques, learn how to assess students, and so much more. How do I know this? Because I have taken the course. And I'll be showing you my certificate and take you through my dashboard later in the video. This is very legit because there are so many unrecognized organizations out there, institutions, training center out there offering these courses. I will highly recommend you invest in your teaching career growth with International Certification. There is no prior requirement for this course. There is no age limit. And as a matter of fact, you get 2 certifications in one, TEFL and TESOL. International Certification offers 3 course options. The 120R, which is the minimum requirement for most online teaching platforms, the 150R master course, and the 250 expert course, which is the one I was enrolled in. Very comprehensive and covers everything you need to know about teaching English as a foreign language. I decided to take this course because in most of the online platforms I have applied to, and the ones I have shared with you on the channel, and by the way, I'll be sharing more. For most of them, having a certification is an added advantage. So let me tell you a bit about the modules. The tefl-tesol course module follows a structured format, including presentations, practice, and end of section quiz. The modules covers a range of topics from introduction to tefl-tesol to teaching specific English skills like reading, listening, writing, and speaking. Other modules focus on classroom management, grammar, pronunciation, teaching online, and specialized areas like business English and teaching young learners. Learning materials are video, audio, and text files. Summative assessments are interactive tests at the end of each module. There is also an exam, which is creating lesson plans. Now, let me share with you some of the distinctive benefits of taking the tefl-tesol course with International Certification. This is in no particular order, but first, let's talk about money. One of the standout benefits of taking the tefl-tesol course with International Certification is that you get a 50% discount option for any of the course you choose to take. That's the 120, the 150, or the 250. Any of the course options, you get a 50% discount. In addition to that, they allow you to pay in 2 installments over a 30-day period. Cool, right? This flexibility makes the course more accessible. So don't sleep on this. You can use the link in the description to get a 50% discount. Save yourself some money. Secondly, the certificate is internationally accredited and recognized by employers from all over the world. You can also use it to get a work visa. With the tefl-tesol certificate by international certification, you can work in Thailand, Vietnam, Australia, the United States. These are additional countries that you can go with your tefl-tesol certification. You can travel to Korea, Japan, China, Thailand, Vietnam, Finland, France, Brazil, Morocco, Greece, Italy, Australia, the US, United Kingdom, Argentina, Spain, South Korea, Germany, India, Mexico. The list is endless. The flexibility this certificate offers is top-notch. You can earn a steady income while traveling. You don't have to limit yourself to Nigeria or to your home country. This is for my US, UK, South Africa, Ghana, India, Philippines, Kenya. Oh my, I have subscribers from all these countries. You guys, thank you so much for sticking with me. And if you're yet to join us, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Join the growth tribe. Alright, so you don't have to limit yourself to your home country. You can become a digital nomad, a person who uses technology to earn a living in any location at any time. This can be you, but even if you choose to stay in your home country, you can work from home as an online English tutor with the tefl-tesol certificate by international certification. The third benefit is that you get a personal native speaker trainer. When you enroll for the tefl-tesol course with international certification, you get a personal native English speaker as a trainer, whom you can ask any questions during your learning process.
Academic related questions only.
Also, this personal trainer assigned to you will provide feedback on your nursing plans. When you complete the course, you receive a certificate with an individual number, internationally recognized and accepted by employers from all over the world, with no expiring date. International certification also offers the opportunity to order a paper version of your certificate, which can be mailed to any location in the world. In addition to the certificate, you also receive a reference letter that will describe your qualities, your characteristics, and capabilities in terms of your ability to fulfill your duties as an English tutor. And finally, you will get a course transcript. This is my certificate, this is my transcript, and this is my reference letter. The next benefit of taking the tefl-tesol course with international certification is the flexibility. Being an online-based course, you can complete it from anywhere in the world. You can finish the course in a couple of weeks or months. Yeah, because you will have access to the course for 6 months. Though I took mine in a very short period of time, there is no pressure. You can take this in a week or 2, you can take it in a month or months. The dashboard will always be accessible to you for 6 months. Next up, this is another cool part of taking your tefl-tesol course with international certification. You're taking this course to get a job or to increase your chances of getting a good teaching job. So toward the end of taking this course, you will get assistance in creating your CV. You know how big I am on creating an impressive CV, and I can vouch for this one. They are good. So in addition to helping you create an outstanding CV, you will also get assistance in conducting your video demo lesson and preparing for future job interviews. These are just part of the employment assistance you will get. In addition to all of these, you will also have access to a database of 36,000 vacancies in 56 countries of the world, plus the most relevant online vacancies. And it gets better as there's an option to undergo a teaching practice with international certification. So are you ready to go on this journey? Apply through the tefl-tesol certification.com and become a student. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. Hear this, in addition to the 50% discount I mentioned earlier, you get a $5 cashback if you use my code in the description as well. So friend, visit the website to learn more about international certification. Go through the testimonials by others who have taken the course. If you have any questions at all about the certification process, leave them in the comment section and I will definitely get back to you. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to International Certification for sponsoring this video. If you find value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you are yet to subscribe to the channel at this point, kindly hit the subscribe button and join the growth tribe. I'll see you in the next one.